YouTube, I want to say what's up. This is my first uh, published new release book, Peculiar Attributes, Peculiar Nature. Attributes, Peculiar Nature. This book right here, this book will save lives in the far as being misunderstood of self. It'll make you become aware of your wit plate, have a stronger wit to add to what you know. Um, it's all about teaching the people to make a better people, because we all exist at this time, and generation to come. When teaching the people before, during the time right now, as we exist, if we educate our people right now, then generation to come. So every 10 years, generation change. Some of us may live 3 generations, maybe 4. But as long as we here, we have to teach our people in a better sense of mind, be toward optimism, to rid away pessimism. Being pessimistic is easy to be. Being frustrated, wanting to destroy stuff. You know, I came from a small town, Belgrade, that where I'm from. Raised up in Belgrade. I ventured out, went to Tallahassee. I played football in Belgrade, Glade Central. That didn't happen for me. I went to Birmingham, came back, went to Tampa, then I went to Tallahassee. So my experience in Tallahassee, I enrolled in college up there, TCC. Then I went to Valdosta State, and I came back to Tallahassee. So I do have some intellect, and I know how to study, things like that. It's all about teaching our people, you know, more optimistic. I went through my pessimism, and I learned. I was incarcerated. Just now getting out of federal prison. And this is why I wrote this book. This book, I had time to study. This book right here, it's life experiences in this book. This book will show somebody may be going through things and stuff like that, and may bring awareness of certain things that dealing with you with, how people annoy you, how to self-search yourself, things like that. I got poems in this book. This is reality poetry, not just something that is entertaining, created written to entertain or imaginary stuff. This is reality poetry. We have a message in this book, and get this book. You can find it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Google, eBay, and I'm in the process of getting this book in audio on CD right now. Right now, it's just in the softbite book right here. This is my first video, and I'm just bringing awareness on this book. My name is Tori Ellison. I'm the author of this book. I was inspired by the late Tupac. Grew from concrete. I I read that book and I was inspired to write poetry. Now I have arrived now, with my version of poetry. And I met guys in there who was published authors, written, urban authors. So, not having the idle mindset, but more in the sense of using your mindset toward optimism, creating opportunity for yourself, and benefiting your intellect to bring your intellect before great man in the foot of great mans. And so you can be recognized for contributing to this world as you exist in this world. Just don't be in this world with an incomplete life. You have to be in this world, mistakes gonna be made. Some wither away because they make their mistake and they accept their mistake. But you have to always fight through life. Sometimes life will make you want to give up and make you do things, being frustrated, and make you do things that taking shortcuts and messing your life up because you took that shortcut because not having patience at the time. But once you learn patience, it's a virtue, and gratitude, being thankful, and optimism, always hoping for the best outcome. That's what resilience come from. Your autonomous being an independent person within yourself. You don't have to have nobody to tell you to do this and do that. You know how to govern yourself to be able to do those things. And with the mindset or the intellectual mindset, being conscious of having a conscious wisdom of self to be able to have your eyes open. It's different than seeing, but having your eyes open and knowing what you see and knowing what you're looking for, and patterning yourself and doing the things to bring that to a reality. It's not just a snap of finger magic. You have to do certain steps to get there, and having the eyes seeing and accepting those things to get there and doing those things to get there. That's how success is gained. So this is what this book is all about. Get this book. Attributes Curly Nature. Get this book. This book is a good read from the beginning to the end. It's a good read. And I hope I reach a capacity of people. It's doing the sense of all this. I have read some poems in here. Parkland shooting. Remember my instant smile in the mind of during the time now is George Floyd and Breonna Taylor. During the time with Trey Marr and Malaya off of basketball while her brother Dante. I had in mind thinking about them, and it's all about raising awareness, and we must come together as people, live out truth, then hiding truth to gain off of not allow people to know everything. That's how trend work on people, fool people into mistakes, so they fall in those pits through life. And somewhere in them pits through life that you don't govern yourself the right way, somebody gonna gain on you, gain on your pain some kind of way. And by people doing wrong to you, they is capitalizing on their career. You know what I'm saying? And you have to be wise. Out there speeding, being troublesome, that's only go so far. You know what I'm saying? It just goes so far. It's not. You have to be wise and know how to maneuver and know what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? So that's what that is. But I'm not gonna bore you with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to be a humanitarian right now and do some activism on making awareness, because we need to educate our people, and our people need to know what they need to know. You know what I'm saying? So diversity is good. It's universal, and being yourself also.